Good afternoon. I am going to show you how to use Scratch and create an algorithm to get your character moving. So if you click on the Scratch link that I've shared with you, and then once you're on there, it says here start creating. So you're going to want to click on that. And it will start loading, and then you should end up with a screen that looks like this. Now, this here is a tutorial box, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to close that because this is our workspace. Now, the first thing that you need to do is have a little look over here, and you've got some different folders that you can go into. So you've got motion, looks, you've got sound, events, and controls, and I'm going to get you to stop there for now. And if you click on events, which is the yellow dot, the first thing I want you to do is if you move when the flag is clicked, and put that into your workspace, and that's this flag here. And when you click this flag here, after you've told Scratch to do a few different things, he should start doing them. So that's your start button basically. Now the first thing that you want to look for is the next thing you want to look for, is motion, and we're going to do the first one, which is move 10 steps, and that one's really simple, and you've just got to connect it to the bottom of the flag. Now if you press the flag now, he won't really do too much. See, he just moved a tiny bit. So it's not really what we want. So we need to go to looks, and this is what changes how he looks. So it looks like he's moving, and we want to click on next costume and attach it under here. And then I think we need to click on not controls. Hang on a moment. We're going to look for weight, and I know it's in one of these ones here. I think actually it might have been in controls. Oh yeah, and then might need to scroll down. Oh no, it's right at the top. Here we go. So click on control, and it's the first one right at the top. Here we go. Attach it to here, but we don't want it for 1 second because that actually takes too long. So if you put dot, so you like your full stop, and then 5. Make sure you put the dot in before the 5 because else it will go really slow. So this is to do with your speed that your Scratch will move. And after that we need the one just under control, and it says repeat. And what you need to do is kind of aim, see where my hand is? You need to aim just underneath, because it needs to grab these three instructions. It needs to be just underneath where the flag is. So hopefully it will grab all 3 of them, which it has. Fantastic. And hopefully, so it's telling you now that you're going to repeat the costume. So that's the different looks that he has, like the different movements that he's got. And he's going to take 10 steps, and it's going to wait 0.5 of a second to move. So let's press the go and see what happens. And now he's moving. Okay, and he's stopped. And what you can do, you can actually pick him up and put him wherever you like. So if you want him to walk at the top, he can walk at the top. If you want to speed up his walking, the number here, so keep the point. So I'm actually going to delete it, so I'll put point. If you want him to go even faster, I'm going to say 0.1, and that should make him a little bit faster. I'm going to put him back over here, and we're going to press go. There we go, and he goes faster. If you want him to get him to walk for a longer distance, let's put 40 in there instead of 10. See how far he goes. Hopefully he'll walk really fast. There we go. So he's walking really, really fast. Oh, he's going to go off my screen. Nope, there he is. He's not gone off my screen. That's okay. You could even play around and see if he does go off your screen. So will he disappear if you walk too far? Okay. If you want to delete all of that, what you can do is just grab it, put it over here, and it will just disappear. But I'm going to leave it here for you so that you can have a little look and see if you can copy what I've done. If you've done that and you want to move on, what you can do is you can add some sound and afterwards, so let's start sound meow. Let's add a meow onto the end of it. See if he meows. Let's just check my sound is on. Yep, my sound's on. So hopefully he's going to meow. Let's press go. And there we go. Okay, enjoy, and I look forward to seeing what you come up with.